Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we learn how to check your Windows 10 is activated or not. So I am going to show you three different methods. So first method is this guys, open your Windows settings. Hold Windows key and press I. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings guys, go to update and security. From the left panel you want to open activation, just click on it. From here guys, you can get your activation details if your Windows 10 activated or not. So this is the first method. Second method is this guys, you want to press Windows key button and here you want to type cmd and right click on it and open the command prompt, run as administrator, and here you want to type some command. So this command you will get in my video description. Just copy this command and paste on command prompt. After pasting, hit enter, and after this guys, you can get this window pop-up. As you can see, from here you can get the license status. So from here you can also find out your Windows 10 was activated or not. So this is the second method. So last and final method is this guys, hold Windows key and press R, and here in the run command box, same thing you want to type which you have typed on your command prompt. So same command you want to type here. After this guys, just click on OK. That's it. Same pop-up menu you will see. From here you can also find out your Windows 10 is activated or not in the license status section. So this is the three different method to find out your Windows 10 is activated or not. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.